Hi, in this video, I'll show you how you can create a simple T-chart using Canva. So T-chart is usually not very difficult to create because it only consisted with a few lines. There are many examples on Google, but usually it does resemble the letter T. That's what it's called, T-chart. So this design is very simple, and you can build one in Canva in just 2 or 3 minutes. Let me show you how. First, go to Canva, and I do recommend using a vertical document because it's usually the most useful dimension for a T-chart. You could use a square or horizontal document if you want to, but usually if you want to maximize the amount of space available, then use a vertical document. Anyway, go to the element section, go to shapes, and you want to insert a line. I'm going to insert the vertical line first, and I'm going to rotate it. Okay, make sure it is 90 degrees, and you can always press and hold the shift key on the keyboard to make sure the angle is more precise. And I'm going to create this design, so I will try to copy it. Let's make it bigger, and also I'm going to make it a bit thicker, maybe 16 pixel or 16 point, right? And I'm going to copy it. Going to paste the line, going to make it shorter, and let's rotate it again because this is going to be the horizontal section of the T-chart. Okay, I think it's looking great. Okay, now I'm going to put it slightly to the bottom, and usually the outer lines, it's either just dash or dots, or sometimes it is non-existent like this one. It is up to your liking. If you want to add another line at the perimeter of the T-chart, it's also possible. The process is the same. You can insert another line, or you can also just copy the existing line. What I'm doing here, I'm going to just create a dash line. I'm going to change the color to be more grayish because it's not really part of the T-chart, and make it, change the style. Where is that? I will use this, maybe this design, and let's copy, let's paste, put it here, and I'm going to copy it again. Let's rotate design. Here it is 90 degree, or sorry, it's 180 degree, and let's put this design at the top. Now we can copy the design, copy the line and put it at the bottom part of the chart. So yeah, that's basically it. That's how you can create a simple T-chart in Canva.